If the trees being planted are too large, or if they are being planted in conditions where above-ground anchoring cannot be accepted, underground stabilization systems can be utilized. Fixation of the system is usually done by asymmetric ground anchors driven in the soil with application poles. If the root ball is not adequately compacted, the surface can be reinforced with a coconut mat before fixing. Subsequently, the straps will be threaded through the eyes, and the root ball will be pulled down to the ground anchors. After the withdrawal, the trench remains buried in the upper part of the ball. Before backfilling, it is necessary, as with regular planting, to cut the tie wire and loosen the upper part of the wire basket.